everyone! Thank you so much for watching. Today we're opening up a brand new subscription called Paradise Delivered. How cute and fun is the box, and it definitely does look like paradise. So this is a new subscription that's actually by the same creators of Single Swag, and I think that is a great subscription, so I'm so excited to see what this box has to offer. I'm going to link them down below, and also the company is sending me a promo code. I believe it's for 10% off, so by the time this video is live, that will be active, and I will leave that down in the description box. Before we get started today, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel, so if you love subscription boxes too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a giveaway going on right now. It should be ending, I believe, in a few days once this video is posted. So if you guys have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this video. So like usual, with a new subscription, I pull up the website so I can get pricing information and all of that. So this is available on Cratejoy. It is $37.50 a month, and you're supposed to get at least $200 in value. You receive 7 to 8 full-size, hand-selected, vacation-inspired products every month. You're supposed to get a spa-inspired staycation right in the comfort of your own home. That is perfect for now, isn't it? I think that's enough information. Let's get this cute box open. I saw some of my friends open this already, but I did not watch any of their videos. I will after this. Point being, I do not know what is inside. No clue. When I open it, looks like everything is under some green tissue. Like putting it in my face. Ooh, something smells good, but there is a sneak peek. Oh, I think I know what is the culprit of the good smell. Let's see if they have a card in here. Looks good. I don't think there's an information card unless I'm just missing it, so let's get started. I see there is a book right on top, and this is You Are a Badass Every Day, How to Keep Your Motivation Strong, Your Vibe High, and Your Quest for Transformation Unstoppable. That is so perfect. I love stuff like this. And I swear there's a YouTuber, is her name Nicole? I'm blanking on her full name, but she opens BoxyCharm and other subscriptions as well. Her channel is great, but I'm pretty sure she like swears by this book. If you guys know, comment down below. I'm sure you guys watch her. But I am super excited. I'm all about reading things for motivation. Whenever I get like in a slump or just feel really down, I read books like this, and it really does help. So I'm excited about this. Awesome. And I think this is like a sequel to her original book, You Are a Badass. Or, again, let me know. Oh yeah, it says from the #1 New York Times bestselling author of You Are a Badass and You Are a Badass at Making Money. Okay, so it's the third one. This is a tiny guide of mighty practices to keep your badassery on track. I love this. And this is by Jen Sincero. I'm not sure if I said that yet. And cover immediate tips and tricks to stay motivated, bust your excuses. It goes on and on. I needed this, so thank you. Ooh, next up we have some really cute hairbands. I could always use more, especially if they're cute. So these are by Pop Band London, the world's kindest hair tie. These are so cute. I do like ribbon ties. Lately I've been all into the scrunchies. I had one on my wrist when we first started the video. I'm like trying to get it off. And these little clips too, but these are so cute. Love them. It looks like we have a lipstick by Molly Jacob. This is their Deep Moisturizing Lipstick in Brick Red. Here's the outer packaging. Certified cruelty-free. I believe everything is cruelty-free. At least that's how Single Swag is. I'll look into that more, and I could leave that on the screen if I find it. But cool. Let's get this out and look. Brick Red. Ooh, the packaging is cool. Like studded looking. Gold and shiny. Oh, I like this. Of course, we have to do a swatch. Oh my god, this is really pretty. I was thinking like bright red for some reason, even though they said brick red in the name of the shade. But this is so pretty, and that went on really smooth. I have a feeling this will be a comfortable lipstick. So, what I smelled was a Spongelle. This is the Lavender Vanilla Body Wash Infused Buffer. I've gotten this before. Pretty sure FabFitFun is who introduced me to Spongelles. It smells so good. In a different box today, I got a Spongelle that's for hands, but this is the body one. Nice. Ooh, is this a candle? Yay! This has got to be a candle. Sunset Park is on the top. Sorry, I feel like everything I'm showing you is very reflective because I'm filming so late. This ring light might be a little intense. It's kind of embarrassing. My blinds aren't working in here. Like, they broke, so my windows are wide open. I'm on the second story, but any neighbor walking by or driving by, I'll see the ring light and be like, what is she doing? Oh, this smells really good. Sunset Park. It's very summery. It smells amazing. I wish I could tell you more than that. Ooh, I recognize this packaging. Yes, Pure Lease, one of the items in their watermelon line. This is their watermelon energizing Aqua Balm. I feel like I had this at some point. I don't know if I had the full size like this though. So this is a lightweight oil-free gel cream. It's supposed to refresh and moisturize. It's good for oily, combination, normal, or even sensitive skin. So it looks like anything but dry skin. And this is the actual balm. Packaging is so cute. I just want to smell it, but I do not need to open it right now. I've got a million other things open, but that's cool they included this. Oh, looks like we have some jewelry that was in a bag, but it fell out. So this is what the jewelry bag looks like. That's cute. Can't tell what brand that is. And, oh, so we have a beaded bracelet, and it looks like is that like a little Buddha face, or what would you call that? I love the blue. I bet this has some sort of meaning. I do wish there was a card in here to tell us all about the items. If I can find any information like pricing, etc., I'll leave it on the screen when I edit. This is cute. I love blue. It's like my favorite color. There's like one other bead in there too. Yeah, these beads are super pretty. Can you see? We have one more item, and look how beautiful the packaging is. This is Alchemy by Fringe Studio Lavender Vanilla Hand Cream. I've been using so much hand cream lately because, you know, always washing my hands and stuff. Even though I never really leave my house, I still wash my hands. Oh my god, this is a huge hand cream. And it matches, but look how huge this is. Lavender Vanilla, this is so pretty. I don't know if Alchemy, I'm trying to think, because Alchemy, you know, is a word. I'm like, have I heard of this brand? I'm not sure, but this sounds great. Yeah, there's 4 ounces of product in here. Even the inside of the box is super pretty. So that was everything. We got 8 products, which is great. So we have the hand cream, the candle, which I really love. I love getting candles. In the book, I also love so much. The lipstick, everything. I do think this is great. I'm trying to think like what they said the theme was, like a staycation or a spa at home. You definitely could do that. You have a book to read, and I think, like, you know, self-care includes like self-help type books or motivation, whatever you want to call it. So I think that's great. We have something to bathe with, the sponge and the candle we can have going when we read our book, and the hand cream, the hair ties. We can pull our hair back when we get in the tub. And this bracelet, I need to look up the meaning of this, like what the stones are, but I think this is really pretty. I love the blue. And yeah, that is everything. I would love to know your thoughts on this box. Have you tried it? Let me know your thoughts either way. And yeah, look out for that promo code down below if you're interested in subscribing. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.